Okay, so first things first, you're going to get an email from me with access information to an online practice test, the Ket. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to this page. Okay, this page is that link. Okay, so now you need to copy and paste the username and the password. So you go back to the email I sent you, you clicked on copy, you paste that here, you go back here, click on copy, go back here, paste, leave the language to English, and log in. Okay, very important. So that's going to bring you to the test page. Okay, so this is called the Key English Test. All right, this is the first test in a level of test that University of Cambridge uses to quantify English level. So what we do here is we click Start Test. That brings up the test window. It'll take a little bit, depends on your connection. It'll might take a few minutes. Okay, so two things. First thing, you can go through here and read the instructions if you want to. Okay, but we're going to be doing, I'm going to walk you through this, and we're going to do this in learner mode. Okay, so we close here. So two tests. First test is the reading and writing, and then tomorrow or the next day. So Monday, I'm doing this on Sunday night. So Monday, I would like you to do this, and then Tuesday do this, and then Wednesday we'll go over the results, and then we'll be on vacation. Okay? So first, click on the reading and writing test tutorial. Okay? Make sure your speakers work, so you can your sound. Okay? You can go up or down. Okay? And then click on continue. Okay? If you would like to watch a tutorial, you can do that, and it'll play for you and tell you how to do that. But I'm going to walk you through this, so all you need to do is go through, click on No here to be in learner mode. Okay? Alright, so then we go to skip. Okay, so here, like I said, we want to be in learner mode. So when we click on No, that's going to give us yes in learner mode. Okay, so we click Start Test. So here are the instructions. Okay, make sure you enter all of the questions. Okay, so you have 1 through 55. So please take a piece of paper and mark your answers down for each question. Okay, so like question 1, what is it? A, B, C, or D? Blah blah blah. Okay, and write that down. Okay, so here we're going to start the test. Okay, so as you can see here, there are 56 questions. Okay, so here's the question. This is the number of the question, and here are the instructions. So which notice A through J says what says 1 through 5. So for each question 1 through 5, click on the correct answer A through G. All right, so here's the question, and you read all of these, and you decide which of these answers this. Okay, A, B, or C. All right, so as you can see here, each question will be lit up. Okay, so once you answer your question, your answer will appear here, and there will be a little line underneath it right here. Okay. So we can I'll just do this so you can see your answer appears here, and then you have a little line, and then you go next. Okay, and then you just do that with every one. Okay, so part 2, as you can see, there's a timer here. Okay, part 2, you can just keep an eye on that to make sure you know how much time you got. So this is multiple choice. Okay, each one of these answers, you just answer this, and then boom, you go here, answer that, and blah, 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 blah. Okay? Part 3. Okay, so this is just the answers. Okay, multiple choice, very simple. This part is drag and drop. Okay, so you drag and drop the answers into the right spot. Okay, if it doesn't fit, you need to make sure that you drop that in the right spot for it to stay there. Okay. Part 4, this is reading. Okay, so you read this article, and then there are 7 questions, 21 through 27. Make sure you answer all of those. Part 5 is fill in the multiple choice, fill in the blank. What word fits best in each blank? Okay, so you can see. Part 6, spelling. So you need to spell these words. You need to type these words in each one of these blocks. Okay. The first letter is given to you, but you need to make sure you use all the letters in the word. Okay. Part 7, this is an email. So here you type the word that goes right here. Type one word for each part, 41 through 50. Okay, so you got 41, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so once you get finished with that, then you just drag it down and you do through 50. Okay. Last part, read the advertisement in the email, complete the booking form, and then type the answers. So here's your advertisement, and here's the email, and then you fill in this student form. Okay. So part number 56, you don't have to worry about that really. It's not graded anyway, and I won't be able to see it, so you really don't have to worry about that. Okay. So now what I want you to do is go back to part 1 and then click on check answers for every one. Okay. So so for example, if you on your sheet that I asked you to make, if you put number 1 and you put A and it was wrong, well then cross it out. Okay. Well, that was wrong. Okay. You don't have to put the correct answer, just how many you got right and how many you got wrong. Okay. So part 2, do the same thing since we didn't answer any questions, blah, blah, blah. But that's what I want you to do with each one of those. Make sure you leave yourself enough time to do this. This is very important, okay? Very important. So, main thing here is, let me go get out of check mode, okay? Don't click end, okay? Whatever you do, do not click end, okay? You do not submit all answers. Do not submit all answers. Okay? We click test. Once you finish all of the 55 checking answers, blah, 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 okay, you just simply close. And boom. Okay? So it's very important that you do that way. Very, very important that you do it like that. Do not click on submit all. Okay, just manually check your answers. I paid for these exams, okay? As you can see, I work for the University of Cambridge and British Council, so I had to buy these exams. I got a discount, but I still had to buy these exams. So do not, please do not do that, because these are very expensive. Okay? So that's basically it for this part of the exams, and I will go over in class what we do with the results. Okay? Thanks.